We get our people upholstery zone. Also, Road King shaved ice. I went to check out Johnny Rocket stuff. That man puts in a lot of hours. He told me you're holding 20 party. Today we are throttle moves. Sell out. Go grab the stuff right now. All right, DJ Black Sheep. Got the music going on for us today. Gonna be hanging out, chill little Sunday. Wherever you're riding in.
Commandant des pompiers. Comment dans les pompiers? Comment dans les pompiers?
Loudest one. I got some gift cards at Neptune's net. Yeah, cover your ears. Let it eat. There it is. All right. Whenever you're ready. $117.1. That's how you let it eat right there. $117.1. Want to crack at it? Whenever you're ready. 112.4. If you got one out there, bring it over. $114.7. What's the mark right now? What's the mark? What's the highest right now? 117.1 is the highest right now. All right.
I'm in the way.
John Johnson, whenever you're ready,
okay.
lady.
Okay.
119 even. All right, William, on the bagger. Lady, whenever you're ready. 115.4. There you go. All right, girl, what's your name? What's your name? Misbehaving.
Misbehaving.
Hey, make sure he's in neutral. You got it in neutral? Make sure he's in neutral. No punches in. Neutral light on. We good? All right, all right. Let it rip whenever you're ready. I saw 117.4. 117.4. What's the mark right now? 119 even? 119 even. Anybody else? Anybody else? I'll let you run it back if you want one more time. All right. If not, who are we giving that to? Who are we giving that to? To John Johnson? John, where are you at, buddy? Real quick, just tell them where you came from.
I came from Los Angeles. My mom's doing my dad, and I'm in Los Alamos, California.
It's about 2.5 hours away. 2 hours today. He comes down to our bike nights. Gift cards for you from Neptune's, man. Courtesy of Law Tigers, our friend over there, Jen. Thank you guys over there. All right, we got some slow races going down here in a minute, so we still got some spots. You want to get in, we're going to do that. We're going to get the course.
Commandant des pompiers. Commandant des pompiers. Commandant des pompiers.